No one really talks about truck bed covers until your gear gets soaked, your groceries vanish at a stop, or your cargo's catching dust like it's open season. A good hard tonneau cover isn't just about looking sharp. It's about locking in security, weather resistance, and peace of mind. In this video, we're ranking the 5 best hard tonneau covers of 2025, from sleek trifold setups to rugged, job site-ready beasts. Whether you're hauling tools, camping gear, or just like a clean bed, there's a cover on this list for you. Links to all the products are down in the description below. Number 5. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. If you're after simplicity, style, and solid weather resistance without overcomplicating things, the Gator EFX might be your move. It's one of those covers that just gets the job done. No frills, no headaches, just clean functionality from start to finish. The panels are made from heavy-duty aluminum and coated in a matte black finish that's UV and scratch resistant, meaning it holds up in the sun and shrugs off most scuffs. The trifold design lets you flip it open in sections or all the way up in seconds, giving you full access to your truck bed when you need it and full coverage when you don't. We also like the integrated drain tubes and the rubber perimeter seals. Together, they do a solid job keeping water out even in a heavy downpour. And installation, no drilling required. The clamp-on rails are designed for a snug, secure fit and can be installed by most people in under 30 minutes. This cover is best for everyday drivers and casual haulers. Anyone who wants to keep things dry, secure, and streamlined without paying premium prices for features they may not need. That said, while it does feel secure, it's not the most heavy-duty option on our list, and here's something to keep in mind. The panels themselves don't lock independently, so your tailgate needs to be locked if you want full security. But honestly, for its price, ease of use, and low-profile look, the Gator EFX holds its own as a great entry into hard tonneau covers. Number 4. Bakeflip MX4. The Bakeflip MX4 has quietly become a fan favorite, and it's easy to see why. It's the cover you get when you want everything, except compromise. From build quality to day-to-day function, it just delivers without calling too much attention to itself. The panels are made from aircraft-grade aluminum with a refined matte black finish that's both scratch and fade resistant. It's built to look good for the long haul, whether you're on the job or off-road for the weekend. One of the standout features here is full bed access. The panels flip all the way up against the cab and secure in place, so if you're hauling something oversized, there's nothing in your way. The dual-action tailgate seal is also a great touch. It works whether your tailgate is open or closed, no awkward sequencing required. Rain? No problem. The built-in drainage system channels water away from your bed, keeping your cargo dry even in stormy conditions. And it's rated to hold up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight, so you're not sacrificing strength for style. In real-world use, it feels solid but not bulky. There's no rattle at highway speeds. It opens and closes one-handed with ease, and the latches feel tight and responsive, no wrestling it into place. We especially like how the flush mount design practically disappears into the truck's profile. It's sleek, smart, and secure, a perfect match for modern trucks. Just a heads up though, it's slightly heavier than some trifold models, so if you're lifting it often or switching between open and closed frequently, that might be something to factor in. Number 3. Calfree Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. For those looking for a budget-friendly hard-folding option without skipping on key protection, the Calfree makes a strong case. It's a solid pick if you want dependable coverage without breaking the bank. The cover features powder-coated aluminum panels with a textured finish that's built to resist scratches and weathering. Its trifold design comes with pre-assembled clamps, making installation easier and quicker than many competitors in this price range. One standout detail is the built-in LED light strip, a small but thoughtful addition that really shines when you're loading or unloading gear early in the morning or late at night. It's those little conveniences that add up. The weather seal lining and hinge caps combine to create an effective rain guard system, helping to keep water out of your bed during wet weather. Plus, there's an included tailgate lock for an extra layer of security when you need it. This cover is best suited for casual haulers or drivers who don't need to flip the entire cover up frequently. It keeps your cargo safe and dry without extra fuss. It may not have the premium polish of some pricier options, but for under $600, it punches way above its weight class. Just one note, it doesn't offer full bed access like some full flip models, so if you regularly haul tall or oversized items, keep that limitation in mind. Number 2. Toutel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Here's the surprise of the list. Toutel's hard folding tonneau cover has flown under the radar, but packs real-world features and ruggedness that impressed us. It's the kind of product that quietly delivers premium quality without the flashy branding. The cover sports a stamped aluminum surface that's corrosion-resistant and reinforced to handle heavy-duty loads without bending or warping. Its tri-fold design includes a built-in buckle system that secures the cover when open so it won't flap around on windy days. Around the edges, you get an OE-grade perimeter seal that offers excellent dust and water resistance, keeping your cargo clean and dry no matter the weather. The textured matte black finish doesn't just look good, it resists fingerprints and scratches, helping maintain that fresh, clean look over time. Installation is a breeze too, no tools needed. The clamp-on design is intuitive and quick, meaning you're set up in no time. Performance-wise, the Tonneau cover is silent, snug, and secure, even at 70 miles per hour on the freeway. It folds up fast and the clamps lock confidently without any awkward fiddling. It might not have the name recognition of some other brands, but if you want solid performance and premium features at a mid-tier price, Tonneau is a stealthy winner. Just a heads up, if you're the type who prefers well-known names, this might give you pause. But in this case, the performance speaks louder than branding. Number 1. BAK Flip G2 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. And at number 1, the BAK Flip G2. This one nails it all: strength, style, flexibility, and everyday usability. It's the kind of cover that feels built to last, yet designed with thoughtful details that make your life easier every time you use it. The BAK Flip G2 features aircraft-grade aluminum panels finished in a UV-resistant black powder coat that stands up to sun, rain, and road wear without fading or peeling. Its full-access flip-up panels fold neatly and lock upright against the cab, giving you 100% access to your truck bed whenever you need it. Around the edges, the EPGM rubber seal system offers top-tier leak protection, ensuring your gear stays dry through any weather. The cover is rated to hold up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight, making it sturdy enough to support heavy loads or even rooftop cargo racks. Quick-release cables allow for easy access to each section of the cover, so you can open just the portion you need without fuss or struggle. What really stands out about the G2 is how secure yet easy it is to use solo. Whether you're loading up alone or in a hurry, it opens smoothly without sticking or rattling. Plus, it locks automatically when you lock the tailgate, so there's no extra step or key needed. The G2 is just one of those covers that gets it right. Rugged when you need it, out of the way when you don't. It is a bit pricier than basic models, but if you're investing for the long haul, this one's a workhorse worth every dollar. So whether you're looking for sleek and low profile or rugged and ready for the job site, these Tonneau covers bring protection and convenience to your truck bed without overcomplicating things. Let us know in the comments which one fits your needs best, or if you already have a favorite hard cover we should have mentioned. You'll find links to every product we covered below. If you found this helpful, a like really helps us out, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on gear breakdowns. Until next time, keep your cargo dry and your ride clean. See you in the next one.